Have you ever bought a new car? If you have, you probably remember the feeling. From the first time turning the key in the ignition, to the fresh leather smell, the rumble of the engine, everything about it is bliss. At least I think so. I'm Brendan Warner. For as long as I can remember, I've been infatuated with cars. My mom says one of my first words was Audi. And as a kid, I played with Hot Wheels, model cars, RC cars, you name it. If it had an engine and wheels, I didn't just play with it, I studied it. These days, I'm a student member of the Society of Automotive Engineers, where I learn about the processes in designing, testing, and marketing various vehicles. I'm especially interested in how cars are designed and what manufacturers are doing to boost fuel economy. Very few people know what it takes for their brand new car to arrive on the lot. Today, I'll tell you more about the automotive development process, like how a vehicle goes from an idea or concept to a real drivable product. There are multiple steps in the production of a vehicle. To put them simply, there's design and concept, construction, testing, production, and finally sales. The design process is the first step. Designers will draw sketches with an idea in mind. When that sketch is approved, it is then rendered using computer-aided software, or CAD. Clay models were a very popular way of designing a new vehicle in the past, but more recently computers do more of the design work. Some manufacturers like Fiat Chrysler prefer to use both methods of modeling. Next, in the process is the construction of the concept. This is where the design is finalized and concept is turned into reality. The car is built using real materials like metal, plastic, and glass. Concepts are usually pleasing to the eye and sometimes almost too cool and crazy, like sci-fi and futuristic, but thanks mostly to safety standards, the look is toned down to meet more practical consumer needs. Next, a prototype is created and tested in various environments, not just the suburban drive down McKnight Road, but instead situations that will truly test the car's efficiency, comfort, safety, and speed. Manufacturers purposely push the limits using situations that offer high elevation, tight corners, and other stressful environment conditions. Engineers test these prototypes for months to be sure enough data is collected. Once the prototype is finalized, the vehicle goes to the final stages of production and packaging. Factories are fit with machines to build and install the parts, such as a metal press for a fender. Depending on the type of vehicle, it might have a more custom approach, or it might be mass-produced like a Bentley compared to a Chevy. A car can take upwards of 4 years to get from a dream to reality, or from concept to sales floor or dealer lot. If you handed over $17,000 for a new Kia Soul or $200,000 for a McLaren, just remember, the development process isn't that much different. Thank you.